are quas. You see? Can't see. You people can't see. Niman Somaliyeed waa ka soo carare nin madowba iga keenay aniga you know Soomaalida guskiina ka shaqeeya gus balaq guso saan ah you see them I will teach you a lesson Soomaalida ku helo saan you gonna teach me a lesson with this we've moved on we know there are better things out there nimanka madowga wallahi okay, aniga nin Somali waligina iguma arkis doontaan. I'm just telling you right now. You will never see me with a Somali nigga. I am done with them. They can't fuck. Gus was sidan or balak. Malin kasta I'm telling you people, stop sigeso. Sigeso is make your gus balak. You don't want to hear. Hada wa baba no sen baba. Nagihi waiting ka arare. Aniga hada qof. Ninka sidaan jeclahay okay I don't want to hear Somali nin Somali qashin faarax damn don't come to me and send me messages I'm done waan ilbaxay saday oh my god oh shit fuck wallahi hablo Somalida please nimanka Somaliyeed hawasina go out there explore wallahi billahi talai waxaan yaro saan if you try other people out there you're gonna be crazy I think it's yesterday wallahi one chirira all day oh Somali oh my god you guys supposed to do better you know I'm telling you Sige Sada you have to stop Sige so it's not good for you gus becomes balak because it's like a skin it's like nasa marka tuchinasid halkan ay gaaraysa you see it's like ilmaha marka nasa nuuga nasi way dhacayaan guskana waa sidaas the whole time you're masturbating become balak stop Sige so de loo soo qaado $10 pay gare was si fiican was garay maxaa sil waa la gadaa maxaa suu dhibaysaa guskii dabcaan buu noqonayaa uf usoo balaq oo naf lahayn